when I was about 13 years old. I was in ELA, and we were doing this name thing, and we went in a circle saying the name of the person to our left. So I asked someone's name, and they said, "Hello, my name is Anna." So my brain immediately went to Frozen, and I kneeled on the ground in this weird heroic pose and started singing, "Love is an open door." And I looked at her thinking, oh my gosh, she's gonna think I'm so cool. And she was looking at me like I was freaking crazy. And then I looked to my friend and she was almost laughing. And then I realized, oh shoot, I did something embarrassing.